Good morning, everyone. Oh, why you're so sleepy today? This time, we will do a really interesting activity. So let's power up. Let's have a clap together. Yeah, come on. Okay, you feel better now? Great. So before we start, do you remember our keep rule? Right. When I say keep, then you should all shout. Right. Silence, and then you should look at the teacher. You got it? Okay, perfect. So before reading today's text, let's check if you remember what we learned last time. So we started our chapter 5, and who can tell me what was the chapter about? Okay, Sumin? Right. It was about trip. So the name was Walk into Korea. We listened the comprehension about travel planning and learn some vocabularies of today's passage. Do you remember? Okay, great. Then let's see what would we learn today. Please watch the lesson objectives on your worksheet and read it aloud together. First one, 1, 2. Okay, second, 1, 2. Great. Third one, 1, 2. Good job, everyone. So, before moving on to today's passage, let's share your travel experiences. It's a pair work. Pair means two. So freely talk about your travel memories with your partner, okay? For example, you might say, I went to blah blah, and there were blah blah and blah blah, and I loved blah blah. For example, I went to Gyeongju. There were 첨성대 and 불국사, and I loved the architectures. Did you understand? Okay, oh, you don't have to be shy. Just say hello to your partner. Good morning, good morning. Okay, then I'll give you 2 minutes for this, okay? Let's share it. Okay, time's up. I could see everyone actively sharing your experiences. Good job, everyone. Then, who can share your memories to the whole class? Okay, Eugene? Wow, you went to Jeju Island and rode horses by the sea. Did you really wonderful experience? Thank you. And another volunteer? Okay, Sumin? Right. Oh, Sapporo in Japan. Yes, that it's also a really beautiful place for traveling. Thanks for your sharing, and I'll give you 3 reward stamps after class. So, as you shared your memories, this time is my turn. 6 months ago, I went to Tongyeong for a trip, and there are some photos of it on your worksheet. So, I visited several places and had a tasty food. So second, make a question about teacher's Tongyeong trip. So write a question that you want to ask about any. For example, you might ask, oh teacher, why did you eat kimbap in Tongyeong? Or, oh teacher, who made the turtle shape of the photo? Like this, okay? And then, upload your question to Padlet through the QR code on your worksheet. And then I'll pick 2 good questions and give them some gifts. Any question for this? Okay, Junso? Oh, sure. You can choose more than several pictures, and make more than 1 question. That's a really good point. Thank you, Junso. And any other? Okay, then I'll give you 3 minutes for this. Get ready? Go. Kid. Oh, class, I don't think you need these kinds of noises, right? So volume down and keep doing your work. Okay, time's up. I could see every question is really interesting. So I picked 2 questions among them. First one was why the name of kimbap is 충무김밥. There's a really good question. It's because 충무 is the old name of 통영. So 충무김밥 is the traditional 통영 food. You got it? Okay, then second question was, teacher, why the 이순신 Museum is in 통영? There's a really good point. It's because long time ago, 이순신 conducted the whole Navy forces of Gyeongsang, Chungcheong, and Jeollang, so that Joseon could beat the invasion of Japan. Do you understand? Okay, great. And thanks for the great question. Who made those questions? Please raise your hands. Okay, then I'll give you some 마이쮸. Okay, great. So, actually, today's passage is also about 통영 trip. So I wish you could get some useful information from my trip, okay? Then let's move on to today's passage on page 4. Today's passage is a diary of 통영 trip. So first, you have to scan the passage quickly and then underline the place names the writer visited. I think you might find some same places with teacher's trip. So I think you could do this really quickly, okay? I'll give you only 1 minute for this, okay? Let's start it now. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, you need for help? Right, that's the place name, right? You're doing really great. Keep doing. Okay, time's up. So class, how many places the writer visited? Right, 4. And where was the first place? Right, it was 중앙 Market. Great. And where was the second place? It was, right, 이순신 Park. Great. And the third place was, great, it was 동피랑 Village. And the last place was, great, it was 전형림 Museum of Art. So you found all the places the writer visited, right? And then let's get some details of the passage through 2, 2, 3 activity. Each also a pair work. First, for 2 minutes, each student would read each page. That means students sitting on the left, you should read only page 4. And sitting on the right, student, you should read only page 5. So did you understand? Please raise your hands. Who's gonna read only page 4? Okay, and then who's gonna read page 5? Okay, great. And after that, to your partner, you should explain what you read. So this should include where the writer went and what the writer ate and how the writer felt. Did you understand? Okay, and then finally, for 3 minutes, you should check if your partner's information is accurate. After that, solve some quizzes on your worksheet. So did you guys understand? Any question for this? Okay, then I'll give you first 2 minutes for reading each page. You ready? Go. And feel free to ask me or use the digital dictionary if you meet some unknown words. Okay, time's up. So after that, for 2 minutes again, explain what you read to your partner. You understand? Do it now. Oh, you two finished? Did you exchange all those 3 information, right? Wow, great. Okay, time's up. And finally, for 3 minutes, check your partner's information is right and then solve the quizzes on your worksheet. You ready? Go. Okay, I think everyone is done. So, let's check the answer of the questions. Who can tell me the answer of question number 1? Oh, come on. I know you all know the answer, right? Who's gonna tell me? Okay, Xian. Right. The writer ate 충무김밥 in 중앙마켓. So the answer is number 2. Thanks for your sharing, and I'll give you 3 reward stamps after class. And who's gonna tell me the answer of question number 2? Stamps are flying, and you! Right. 충무김밥 is special because the fisherman had it out at sea. So the answer is number 3. Great. And who's gonna tell me the answer of question number 3? Oh, you're faster, okay? Right, but I heard you said admirer. It's really close, but I think it would be better to say admiral. Could you repeat? Right, admiral. And the writer could see the statue in 이순신 Park, not at 중앙마켓. So X is the answer. And who's gonna last chance for the stamps? Raise your hands. Okay, Jungwon. Right. The writer felt peaceful and proud of admirer is love. So you found all the evidences of the quizzes. You did really great. So until now, we read Garam's 통영 diary. And from now on, we will make our virtual picture diary. So imagine you're on a trip in 통영. And I prepared 4 other places of 통영 on your worksheet. So step 1. Choose 2 places among the 4 places that you want to visit and search some information about the places through the internet. You understand? And then, step 2. Write your virtual diary for about 3 to 4 sentences. I put some model sentence structure on your worksheet. So if you need help for writing, please refer to it. And then third step is creating an image of your virtual trip by using Canva AI image creating. So all we have used Canva several times, right? Yes. So to be more realistic, you should add some details of your appearance, of your acting, or of your backgrounds. Like I have short black hair and I'm eating 충무김밥 in 중앙마켓 and the weather is cloudy, like this. And I put some example of my 통영 trip on your worksheet. Refer to it and use it as a guide. So the last step is uploading it to Padlet through the QR code. So, any question for this? Okay, and also, please be creative. You can do everything you want in your virtual trip, right? You can ride dolphins, you can eat Ironman ice cream like this, okay? Then, I'll give you first 7 minutes for step 1 and 2. You ready? Go! Oh, Wonyoung, you need help? You finished your step 1, right? Then you need for writing. Let's see the structure part together, and I visited. Right, so Pirang and you ate. Wow, Ironman ice cream, that's really lovely. Just keep doing your work like this. And if you finished, as usual, move on to the Grammarly site through the QR code and check your vocabulary and the grammar through the AI tool, right? Okay, time's up. And then I'll give you another 8 minutes for step 3 and 4. Ready? Do it now. 1 minute left and I could see many interesting pictures on the Padlet. Okay, time is up. I think everyone is done. So who's gonna share your work to the class? Don't forget, I have a stamp. Oh, you, right? Right, Taewon, you went to 서피랑 and had a great time in there. Thanks for your sharing. And another volunteer? Okay, Changhoon? Yes, you went to 만지도 and had all the fishes you love. That's a really cool experience. Thanks for your sharing. And I'll give you 5 reward stamps after class. So I wish you could do everything you want on your virtual trip. So today, we shared our memories and read and understood today's passage. And lastly, we made our virtual picture diary. Was it fun? Yes, you did really, really great. So, actually, 동피랑 and 전형림 Museum of Arts are the places that the writer went on her second day. So next time, we will read the rest part of the diary, okay? And today's homework is leaving at least 5 comments on your classmates' work on Padlet. It's not that hard work, right? Okay, then I'll wrap up today's class. Students who need to get stamps, please line up here. Bye-bye.
16분 48초 하셨습니다. 이어서 피드백 시간이 있도록 하겠습니다.
네, 선생님. 저도 영어과라서 사실 제일 기대하면서 봤거든요. 네, 진짜 외국어로 수업을 실연을 하는 게 진짜 쉬운 일이 아니라는 거를 저도 영어과라서 잘 알고 있어요. 근데 자신감 있는 태도로 일관되게 되게 열정 있게 수업을 해주셔가지고 재밌게 잘 봤어요. 그리고 QR코드를 통해서 뭐 패들릿에 업로드하게 하는 거라든지 아니면 뭐 예상 가능한 질문들에 답하시는 모습, 뭐 마이쮸 주는 모습 이런 것들이 되게 현장감 있게 느껴졌고요. 그다음에 몇 학년이신지는 뭐 정보가 없지만 뭐 클래스룸 잉글리시를 되게 잘 능숙하게 잘 하시는 것 같아요. 그리고 뭐 모델링이라든지 뭐 스캐닝, 뭐 인포갭 같은 영어과에서 기용하는 다양한 어떤 수업 전략들을 적절하게 잘 사용하신 것 같고요. 그다음에 패들릿이나 캔바 같은 사이트들은 실제로 지금 교육 현장에서도 굉장히 많이 쓰고 있는 디지털 툴들이거든요. 그런 것들이 잘 반영된 수업이었던 것 같습니다. 네, 수고 많으셨습니다.
예, 마지막에 하신다고 고생하셨습니다. 일단 저는 영어과가 아니기 때문에 그냥 보이는 것만 이야기를 하면 일단 가장 실제 수업과 유사한 활동들로 진행이 되지 않았나 하는 생각이 듭니다. 아무래도 이제 언어를 학습하는 과목이다 보니까 학생들의 뭐 수준 차이라든지 그 다음에 학생들이 좀 자신 없어하는 그러한 모습들이 있을 텐데 그런 것들을 좀 약간 적극적으로 학생들이 참여할 수 있도록 유도를 해주시는 모습들이나 혹은 뭐 계속해서 자신감을 불어 넣어주시는 그런 모습들 그 다음에 제가 보기에도 이제 단계별 학습이 반영이 잘 되어 있는 것 같아가지고 선생님의 그런 표현들이나 이런 것들이 가장 실제 수업에 가깝지 않았나 하는 생각이 듭니다. 고생 많으셨습니다.
저는 일단 제일 놀라웠던 게 처음부터까지 영어로 하면서도 이제 막힘없이 진행을 하시는 게 굉장히 인상 깊었고요. 이제 실제로 이제 영어과에서 수업 시연을 할 때 처음부터까지 영어를 한다는 거 알고 있어도 그러면서 봤음에도 좀 놀랐고요. 그리고 굉장히 좀 파워풀하고 이제 발성이나 제스처를 하는데 저는 좀 거의 한편의 연극을 본 느낌까지 들 정도로 굉장히 좋았던 것 같습니다. 근데 이제 그런 오히려 너무 준비를 많이 해서 네, 수업 진행이 저는 살짝은 좀 빨랐다고 느끼긴 했어요. 그래서 오히려 학생들이 발문을 하거나 아니면은 이제 수업하시다가 활동을 하고 이제 학생들의 순회 지도를 할 때 말씀을 하시고 바로 가서 바로 피드백 해주시고 바로 다시 와서 바로 다시 또 말을 이어나가는 게 그 살짝 사이에 조금만 텀을 좀 늘려서 기다려주는 시간이 조금 있으면은 이제 어차피 시간도 좀 많이 남고 해서 좀 더 이제 보는 사람이 느끼기에 시간 조절 좀 잘 되는 듯한 느낌을 받을 수 있을 것 같습니다. 네, 수고 많으셨습니다.
네, 이상